Formula One project in Austin. This time, we had the honor of doing installation for our partners, helping to set up the venue space for legendary brands Levi's and McLaren for F1 in Austin. Together, they transformed a gallery and a cozy coffee house into a true work of art, creating an entirely new design that impresses with every detail. Everything was executed with flawless precision from concept to implementation. However, this beauty had a short lifespan. All these were dismantled after a few days and all elements disappeared, leaving behind only memories. You print, we install.